Basic transformation. There are several transformations that are used in computer graphics, but the most common ones are translation, rotation, and scaling. In translation, what we're doing here is we're moving these objects. In rotation, we move, and in scaling, we're changing the object's size. Basic transformation includes these three transformations, which is the translation, rotation, and scaling. These three transformations are known as basic transformations because with combination of these three transformations, we can obtain any transformation. Rotation. A rotation transformation, which turns a figure about a fixed point called the center of rotation. A translation is a type of transformation that takes each point in a figure and slides it the same distance in the same direction. And the last one is scaling. There are two types of scaling transformation. We have uniform and non-uniform. In uniform scaling, the coordinate values change uniformly along the x and y coordinates, whereas in non-uniform scaling, the change is not necessarily the same in all coordinate directions.